Are you ready to experience the future of smartphones? Now we're diving into the Honor 200 Pro, a device that's redefining the premium smartphone experience. In this video, we'll explore 5 compelling reasons why you should consider making the Honor 200 Pro your next phone. So let's get started. It is powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8's Generation 3 processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance for all your tasks. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos, this device handles it all with ease. Plus, with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and ample storage options, you'll have plenty of room for your apps and files. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with the Honor 200 Pro's 6.78-inch AMOLED display. The high resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate deliver a buttery smooth experience, making everything from scrolling through social media to watching movies a joy. Plus, the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for added durability. Capture stunning moments with this Pro's powerful camera system. The 50 megapixels main camera paired with a 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens and a 50 megapixels telephoto lens ensures you can take professional quality photos and videos in any lighting condition. Plus, the advanced AI features help you optimize your shots for the best results. Stay connected all day long with the Honor 200 Pro's large 5200 mAh battery. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply browsing the web, this device can easily last you through a full day of use. And when you need a quick charge, the 100 watts fast charging technology gets you back up and running in no time. The Honor 200 Pro is not just a powerful device, it's also a work of art. The elegant design combined with premium materials makes this phone a pleasure to hold and use. Plus, the IP65/68 rating ensures it's protected against water and dust. It is more than just a smartphone, it's a lifestyle statement. With its powerful performance, stunning display, incredible camera system, long-lasting battery, and elegant design, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking for the best of the best. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your Honor 200 Pro today.